Gotta love these new toys.
All right. On the other side of that lighthouse is a hatch that leads directly to the railway station.
Hey, I caught one! Hop in! Faster, please.
Heck of a skiff, isn't she? Won it off a buddy in a poker game a few years back. Her jump receptors lock up every now and again, but she hauls when it counts. I think we may be in the clear. Hold on, I'll swing you back towards the lighthouse. Whoa, that was a close one.
He's right behind us!
I'll steer you towards the shock towers. We used to use them to scare off the Sepiads before everyone moved out of town. Whoops! Got a little problem with the intake manifold. Hold on! I'll give the old engine a kick. There we go. See? Sometimes he just needs a little encouragement. You'll have to activate the tower manually. Here we go. Nice one. Nothing says don't eat me like 5,000 decatones of electricity coursing through your body. Heads up, we got a tortomoth ahead. Ah!
Yes!
I'll give him this. He is persistent. Probably hasn't eaten in a while. Sorry, that one was my fault. Forgot to change gears. All right, time to really get him angry. Ready to shock him again? Yeah! That's for swallowing my neighbor.
Yes!
Uh-oh! I think he may have caught your scent.
I could use some assistance.
Found the problem. You all right back there? Another few thousand decatones of power and we'll be Sepiad free. Ready for another shock tower? I can't believe it. We killed the King Sepiad. Wait until the guys at work hear this. Hang on while I swing you back to the lighthouse. That broken dock ought to give you enough lift to reach the lighthouse. You guys ready for some stunt skiing? What's the matter? You scared? Come on, I'll take you around again. Just ski right into it and let physics do the rest.
Yeah!
Off to Tortumfy to let the townsfolk know they can come back home. So long, gang, and thanks for your help.
The railway station should be just on the other side of that lighthouse.
Hey, I caught one! Yes!
Sweet Griminy! It's the King Cyprian! He's alive!
Ah!
There's no time to waste! Get to the top of the lighthouse as quick as you can! I can't look! Turn the monitors off!
I'm over here!
Oh, this looks bad. Stare into his eyes, rookie. Establish dominance. The only way to stop the King Sephiad from attacking is to mesmerize him with light. I'm pulling up the lighthouse schematics.
Ratchet, take cover.
Looks like the lighthouse beacon is powered by a biogenerator in the center of that platform. Try batting a few slugs into it. The Versa crank's exposed! Activate the beacon!
You ready, pal?
I'm ready. Ignition order.
Hop in!
Whew, he's hypnotized. Now's your chance. Pull his jaws open and feed him a slork.
Ooh, that's gonna cause a stomachache.
It is time for the critter strike.
This one's mine. I don't feel so good. Hey, get away from my pal!
Ratchet!
You gotta get him to let go of that Versa crank. Nice work! Now, activate the beacon!
It is time for the critter strike.
You ready, pal?
I'm ready.
Ah!
He's hypnotized. Now's your chance. Pull his jaws open and feed him a slork.
I will help you, Ratchet.
This one's mine.
Deploying.
He's down! All right, rookies! Hit him with everything you got! Good job, rookies! Without their king, the other Sephiads will migrate away from Octonok.